Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Dialog. First, open Roblox Studio and select your NPC. Insert a dialog object into its humanoid or head. You'll then set the initial prompt property to what your NPC says first. Also, adjust the conversation distance to control how near a player must be to start the conversation, typically set to around 10 studs for easy interaction. To make your dialogue interactive, add dialogue choice objects inside your main dialogue. Each choice needs a user dialogue for what the player says and a response text for the NPC's reply. For instance, you might have 3 choices. If a player selects a choice that concludes the interaction, set its goodbye dialogue property to true, ensuring the conversation ends smoothly. For dynamic interactions, you'll need to script your dialogue. Place a script inside your dialogue object. Connect to the dialogue choice selected event, which fires when a player picks an option. Inside this event, you can check the dialogue choice. Name property to determine which choice was made. This allows you to, for example, grant an item, start a quest, or change the NPC's behavior based on the player's decision. When creating dialogue, aim for clarity and brevity. Long, rambling text can disengage players. Always test your dialogue extensively in-game, checking every choice and path to catch any errors or unintended loops. Consider using dialogue not just for simple chats, but also for delivering crucial information, initiating quests, or providing helpful hints, making it a powerful tool for game progression and immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.